Chapter 1. Numbers. More numbers.
In the previous class, we have learnt numbers up to 4 digits. Do you know what happens when we add 1 to 9,999? Let us take a look. Largest one-digit number is 9 and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, which is the smallest two-digit number. Largest two-digit number is 99 and 99 plus 1 is equal to 100, which is the smallest three-digit number. Largest three-digit number is 999 and 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, which is the smallest four-digit number. Largest four-digit number is 9999 and 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000, which is the smallest five-digit number. So, by adding 1 to the largest four-digit number, we get a new place, that is 10,000's place. So, we have 10 ones is equal to 110. Now, we have 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10,000 is equal to 110,000.
Place value table.
We can represent numbers on a place value table. We have number 23,456. Let's represent this number in table. They are labeled from right to left as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. In ones, we'll write 6. Then in tens, we'll write 5. Next digit is 4, comes in 100. Then in thousands, we will have 3. And 2 will be in 10,000. Thus, the number is 23,456.
Face value and place value.
Face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, while the place value of a digit is the number we get when we multiply the digit by its place. So, place value of a digit changes according to its place and the face value of a digit remains same wherever it is placed. Let's do the place value chart. We have number 41,625, that is 41625. The place value of digit 4 in 10,000's place is 4 multiplied by 10,000 equals to 40,000. The place value of digit of 1 in thousands place is 1 multiplied by 1000 equals to 1000. The place value of digit 6 in hundreds place is 6 multiplied by 100 equals to 600. The place value of digit 2 in tens place is 2 multiplied by 10 equals to 20. The place value of digit 5 in ones place is 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. Now we'll learn about the face value chart. We have number 37,845, that is 37845. The face value of the digit 3 in 10,000's place is 3. The face value of the digit 7 in thousands place is 7. The face value of the digit 8 in hundreds place is 8. The face value of the digit 4 in tens place is 4. The face value of the digit 5 in ones place is 5.
Expanded form and short form of a number.
Let's write the expanded form of number 53,247, that is 53247. We have 3 ways. First way is 5 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 4 tens plus 7 ones. Second way is 5 multiplied by 10,000 plus 3 multiplied by 1000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1. Third way is 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 7.
Comparison of numbers.
When we compare two or more numbers to find which is the smallest and which is the greatest, we use greater than sign or smaller than sign. Let us compare the numbers. Example, compare the numbers 3,195 and 14,576. 3,195 has 4 digits and 14,576 has 5 digits. So, 14,576 is greater than 3,195, or 3,195 is smaller than 14,576.